Fawn.
It's Grant.
And today we're going to be doing the blind taste test. But first I need to introduce a special guest. He was in the last video. His name is Colin. Okay guys, so we're back. How this works is there's going to be 4 mystery cups. We don't know what they are, but the cameraman does. And she basically switches out the cups, and there's going to be levels. Level 1 is the easiest. It's going to be combinations of good drinks. Level 2, so as the levels go on, you're going to have nastier drinks, I guess you could say. And there's going to be a combination of nasty drinks. But we work our way up from level 1 to level 4. And yeah, that's basically the best I can explain it.
So who wants to go first?
I can.
We're going with like
Okay. Fizzy. I'm gonna guess. It's definitely not V8. I'm gonna guess. That's hard. Fago cherry.
I'm gonna go next, and I'm gonna go with green. It's not coming out.
Somebody clogged the straw, it looks like.
It's throwing up. That's V8. That tastes like straight up tomato.
I think it's like, I can't think of the name. Like the orange thing? Sunkist. Yeah, I think it's that.
Okay.
That's Mott's.
Wait, it's what?
It tastes like brisk, but I know we don't have that. Well, I don't know if we have it, but I think it's gonna be the Mott's drink thing. Yeah.
Well, every time we do a taste test, we're gonna switch the straws.
The editor or camera girl is switching them around. So yeah, we'll be back when it's all switched. Grant's going first because I just went.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with
Purple. Wait, no.
I'm gonna go with
Green. Oh, I know exactly what that is. It is Dr. Pepper.
I'm gonna do red. That's V8.
No offense to all those V8 lovers out there.
It's super fuzzy. Shut up! I think it is. God, it's so fuzzy, I can't really even tell. Shut up, everybody! It is. I'm gonna go with Fago cherry again.
That's some kind of juice. I think it's Mott's.
Hey, yo!
Okay. I think it's
Going to tell us the results. So, one of the drinks. Number 2. Oh my
I
god!
knew it. I think. Did I get it right?
Did I have?
Yeah, Colin, you said it was right, Colin.
God! Where did you get that?
This is in the back of the fridge.
And
then last,
Yeah.
Big fat goose egg!
I got 2 right. I supposed to say?
I got all of mine right.
I got a big fat goose egg right.
Round 2 is gonna be we're gonna mix the drinks.
Also, mid-July, I'm getting railroad tracks on my teeth, so be ready to see them. Mission, but before we dance, break dance like we usually do, I know we're so good at it, but before we do that, we need to tell you guys to like, subscribe, and share the video, and turn on post notifications to never miss another one of our videos. Intermission time! So we're gonna have 4 parts of this video, maybe 5. It depends on how many levels we're doing. But every level, every new part, in this level, it's level 2 now, meaning it's part 2. Editor, put something up here, part 2, Sparkle. So it's part 2. They're mixed drinks now. So let's find out. Okay, what I'm gonna do is red. Sunkissed. Wait.
They're mixed.
That bussin'. Sunkissed mixed with Dr. Pepper.
Okay, so
Slurp too long.
I'll tell
Bussin'.
you, 3 of them have 2 drinks mixed, and 1 of them has 3 mixed.
I feel like it's. I think it's like sun-kissed and Pepsi. I don't know what it is. I don't know what that one is. So
Okay.
Dr. Pepper, maybe Dr. Pepper. I don't know.
Okay.
I can't decide.
So it's 50-50 if it's V8, so it's kind of I have to choose which one I want. So I don't know how to choose that, but yeah, I'm just gonna go with
You're so scared.
purple. I haven't gone with purple yet.
You're slurping too long. Stop slurping so long.
Dr. Pepper.
that slurp, buddy.
Dr. Pepper and Sunkissed, and yeah, I think that's it.
Let's hit this V8 rocket ship.
Oh, I can't even tell.
No, you know how I feel.
That's Briskin V8.
Final
Yeah.
answer.
Final answers.
What's the first drink?
What? Oh yeah, it is. Wait, Brisk. No. Wait. The 3 drinks could be the one that I got.
Did this one. It was Dr. Pepper and V.
I got it wrong too.
It was the one Grant just guessed.
I knew it.
What was the last one?
Next round, she's gonna go upstairs and get some more drinks. So I'm gonna try red.
Me in the background just chilling.
There might be V8 in that. Dr. Pepper. It tastes like popsicle-y.
This tastes like cardboard water. Ew. The mixture with water and milk. Maybe, probably.
I'm gonna go again since Vaughn's not back yet, and then we're gonna save the last one for him. And I'm gonna go with pink.
Pink.
That's not pink.
I'm at purple. It's strong.
Hey, yo.
Is there coffee in there? I think there's coffee. I guess I'm left with no choice but to go with the green straw. I recognize that. I want to say lemon juice now. Pickle juice! I love that!
And tried this.
I hate pickles.
This is milk with lime juice in it.
I knew it was something with milk.
Grant strength. This was the lemon lime Gatorade.
Oh.
We have that?
It's the powder that you put in water.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Powder.
Okay, it's also Grant's. This was instant coffee.
Yeah, that's why it took you so long.
One Vaughn had, he was right, it was pickle juice.
Wow! This is round 5, the hardcore version. We have not reused round 4. I mean, this is the hardcore version.
They are all really nasty.
Sure.
It tastes kind of saucy.
Hey, yo!
It's not hot sauce. Tomato sauce maybe? It tastes like tomato soup. Is it tomato soup? I think it's tomato soup. No.
I'll go next. I'm gonna pick blue.
Oh god, it's gonna be hot sauce. I don't know.
Wasabi.
Pickle juice.
Oh my god.
That's
Why
kind of
didn't I
spicy. It tastes spicy for a second, but pickle juice was something else. And it's chunky.
I'll have my own reaction.
Is it good? The thing that you brought back was pickle juice.
I
definitely.
recognize that. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to take another sip.
Yo.
Is it bad or good?
In the middle. I think I get it at restaurants. My answer is gonna be something that they serve at restaurants is like a sauce or cream or something. 3. Hey, yo.
Is it chunky?
Are you choking
It
up
tastes like
chunky
sour milk.
expired milk? Egg whites.
Egg whites. I have no idea what that is, but I think it's
White stuff and eggs.
no.
Literally goes better.
I think you put hot sauce and milk together.
Okay. Grant's.
What was it?
You know, want to know what it is?
Break the news.
Pickle juice and barbecue sauce.
Oh, that's
How-
why it was kind of spicy.
How was it? What's the rating?
2 out of 10, and I'm being generous.
Collins, this was Thousand Island mixed with, I think it was water.
What was
Thousand
it?
Island dressing in water.
No, why does it
Thousand Island,
sound
what's that?
worse with water?
Who did this one?
I have no idea which one.
I
it
did the
come
red
out of.
straw.
This was
I think it's great.
tartar sauce and water.
Oh.
That's probably not
It's
mine.
gonna be sauce. I know it is.
Vaughn's
You're brave.
Oh, what is it?
mustard water.
I was right. I was right about what they serve at restaurants. They serve that on burgers. They serve that on fries. They serve that on hot dogs. I am 1-0 in every single round. So yeah, I got 1 point out of like 4 rounds. So
But
yeah,
the first round you got nothing,
exactly,
and then the second round you got like nothing, and
exactly,
then the third round you got like nothing.
exactly.
Grant did really good.
Yeah, I did really good.
I got 1 point out of everything.
I said
so, yeah.
pickle juice and sauce, didn't I?
You said something.
So, yeah. See you guys.
Okay, so guys, make sure to buy our merch. Link will be in description. And now we're gonna be filming a brand new superhero scene for you guys. Subscribe and I'll give you a cookie. Bye.